Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, we'll be doing a perm rod set. In case you guys do not know, I am not really a fan of perm rod sets, but I stretch my hair, so I was like, let me go ahead and try it out and let me see if I like it better on stretched hair. So that's what we're doing today. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 5K, and I want all of you guys to join my journey because it's really gonna be a big thing, okay? A very, very big thing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, opinions, questions, or anything that may be on your mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is stretched, as I mentioned. I stretch my hair using the Band-Aid method. If you guys did not see that video, I'll go ahead and link it above. But my hair basically looks like I blew it out. It looks real good, it's real big, it's real, you know, stretched out and ready to give the girls all of the volume and all of the length that they have been asking for, okay? Also, my color is so grown out now. I kind of miss it, but at the same time, I'm just ready for my hair to be back to its natural color and back to being like as healthy as it can possibly be. So today we're using the Camille Rose Natural Spike Bacuri styling foam for our perm rod set. This is actually my second time using the styling foam. I did a perm rod set with this styling foam when I was doing a peel one time, because I do like to experiment with hairstyles while my skin is peeling, just because nobody gonna see it and I could go ahead and do what I want to do. So if I look dumb, then nobody have to know, okay? So I'm going to start off by separating my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to start with 1/3 of that back quad. I'm going to detangle from ends to roots to make sure we have a nice detangled base, and then take 2 pumps of our styling foam to start off with and apply it to that section we just detangled. This styling foam smells so amazing, guys. Like, it smells so bomb, and the consistency is not sticky at all, which is my problem with a lot of other styling foams. I didn't have enough, so I went ahead and took 2 more pumps. So in total, I used 4 pumps on this section in the back. And once I thought my hair was fully coated, I went in with my orange perm rod. I used orange perm rods to my whole head, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to that section. So when applying a perm rod, the first thing I do is I put it in and make sure my ends are secure, nice and wrapped and flat. And then I go ahead and roll it up. And once I get to about 1.5 inches from my root, I'm just going to go ahead and twirl and tuck it and then clip the perm rod closed. So that is how I apply my perm rods. I'll go ahead and show you guys one more time. So wrap it around, make sure the end is flat, roll, roll, roll. And once we get to that root and we have this much left, I'm just going to go ahead and twirl it and then snap the perm rod closed. So that's basically what I did to my whole head. And then this is the section we had in the front. I just wanted to show you guys more of how the product looked on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of the styling foam and apply it to that whole section. Overall, the styling foam had my curls popping. It was nice and moisturizing. My hair felt so soft, and I just loved it. I feel like it has a foamy consistency, but it doesn't remind me of other foams that I currently own, if that makes sense. So I am here for it, okay? But I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of how my curls look when I put the styling foam in my hair. They're nice and moisturized, nice and defined. So I'm also interested in trying the styling foam to do a wash and go, because I feel like it would give me amazing definition. So once again, rolling. Once I get 1.5 inches away from my roots, I just clip my perm rod. And y'all, this definition, as I got to the front of my hair, I started realizing, since I was able to see it more, I'm just like, girl, like, I was not expecting this from a styling foam, okay? But this is how my hair looked after I applied perm rods to my whole head. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished all of my perm rods. It actually wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I don't know if it's because my hair was stretched or if I was being dramatic the other times, but it was not that bad, guys. Hopefully I did a good job. This styling foam, the curl definition, I need to try she with a gel and see how it will work for wash and go. I'm very interested to see because the curls from just this foam, one product, no, well, I had previous product in my hair, but just this foam right now, and my curls were popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my head up. I know the front ones look crazy, but it's okay. Hopefully they don't look stupid tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair up, and then we'll take it down tomorrow to see how it looks. Hey guys, so it's 2 days later, I believe. So I slept with these in for 2 nights, so kudos to me. But I just wasn't in the mood to record yesterday, so I was like, let me just wait until, you know, I feel like recording. So I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and take our perm rods down today, and we're gonna see what's tea. We're gonna see, this is basically going to determine if I try more perm rod sets or not, because I thought it was because my hair wasn't stretched or my hair was too short. I don't know, we'll see. I don't remember how I tied up my hair. Sleeping with these perm rods in were not bad compared to sleeping with those bands in. If y'all did not see that video, I'll link it above. But I'm just gonna go in and start taking them out. Okay. Alright. And also remember, I had product in my hair previous to doing this style, previous to me stretching my hair. So I definitely want to try it again on like freshly washed hair. Okay, so I went ahead and took all of my perm rods out, and this is how I'm looking. We still have to go ahead and separate them, so I'm gonna start off on camera and then I will do some off camera. So I'm just gonna take this one here and just roll. This is the part that always messes me up, so we'll see how we look after this. I don't want to separate it too much. So that's one section, boom. And as I'm separating it, I'm pulling it like where it naturally separates. I'm not forcing it because that can cause frizz. And that's not just with this hairstyle, that's any hairstyle. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off camera, and then I'll be back with the finished product. So I love how it came out compared to previous perm rods I did. This is probably the best perm rod set that I have ever did myself on my natural hair, and I'm so proud of myself. However, I have learned about different things that I need to do. So first of all, I feel like on this side, most of the rollers were going in the same direction, so it doesn't have as much volume as this side. I'm not sure if you guys can see what I am talking about, but that is one thing that I will pay attention to the next time I do a perm rod set. I need to pay attention to the direction that I do the rollers in. Second of all, I didn't fluff it out too much just because, I don't know, I was kind of scared to fluff it out too much. So, but overall, I'm really impressed. I'm so proud of myself because as you guys heard in the beginning of this video, I was like, I do not mess with perm rod sets. Like, they always come out making me look stupid. So I feel like this, you know, this is looking good. I like it. I actually took some selfies and everything, so I love it. My overall thoughts on this styling foam. First of all, I don't know if I mentioned this product was gifted to me by the brand, so shout out to Camille for sending this product over to me. Had it for a while now. I tried it before, as I mentioned, when I was peeling one time, and I did it on soaking wet hair. I didn't like how it came out at all. So my first tip with perm rod sets, if you struggle just like me, is to try it on stretch hair. Go ahead and stretch your hair, whether it's with heat. If you don't want to use heat, you can use the banding method. I did a video about that. I'll go ahead and put it here and in the description box down below. But if you struggle with perm rod sets, try it out on stretch hair, because I feel like that was my first problem. Second of all, this product was so bomb. This was the only product we used to get this perm rod set, and it gave me better results than other times where I mixed like a leave-in with the foam or whatever. I just feel like this one product did it for me. And as you guys saw, I also had my curls popping. So I do want to try it in a wash and go with my wet line gel. So that'll be a video you guys will see on my channel soon. But overall, I like it. It's a foam, but it's not too sticky, which is my problem with most like foamy products. It's not sticky at all. It's so moisturizing, has my curls popping. So this Bacuri, I like it. I like her. So these are my results. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried this product before? Do you guys plan on picking it up and trying it out? Let me know down below. And let me know what y'all think of my hair. Let me know if you guys are going to try perm rod set. Let me know if you guys struggle just like me. Comment down below and share your thoughts, comments, and opinions. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. We're on the road to 5K, and I want all of y'all to join. I want all of y'all to share my videos with your sister, your roommate, your friend, your cousin TT, cousin KK. Share it all. Share it all. Share my whole channel. All 200 plus of my videos. Let them know that they need to check it out, okay? And until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I will see you guys later.